As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the savanna, the herd regroups, forming a protective wall around their most vulnerable members. The air buzzes with tension as though nature itself holds its breath. In the distance, a faint rustling stirs the tall grass, a reminder that the predators are never far. The defeated lion pride retreats to a shaded grove, licking their wounds and regrouping for the next hunt. Hunger gnaws at their bellies, urging them to reconsider their tactics. Among them, the youngest lion watches intently, learning the harsh lessons of survival. Each failed attempt sharpens their resolve. Every defeat is a step closer to mastery. Back among the buffalo, the alpha surveys the scene with a practiced eye. A low grunt signals the all clear, and the herd begins to move again, deliberate and synchronized. This is their strength, numbers, unity, and an unyielding will to survive. They traverse the open plain, instinct guiding them towards safety and sustenance. But danger still lurks. As twilight deepens, the balance of power shifts. Under the cover of darkness, hyenas emerge, their eerie laughter echoing across the plains. They are opportunists, masters of chaos, and they thrive where others falter. The buffalo know this well and tighten their formation, horns outward, eyes scanning the shadows. One brave calf ventures too close to the edge of the herd, curiosity overriding caution. A hyena darts forward, testing the defenses, but a sharp bellow from its mother calls it back. The herd shifts, an organic machine of defense, and the predator slinks away, biding its time. The night wears on, a theater of endless conflict and survival. For every victory, there is a loss. For every loss, a lesson. This is the rhythm of the savanna, a dance of life and death where only the adaptable endure. As dawn breaks, painting the horizon in hues of gold and crimson, the herd pauses by a watering hole. The stillness is deceptive as crocodiles lie submerged, eyes glinting just above the surface. A young buffalo steps forward, hesitant, and the water ripples ominously. But this time, the mother is ready. She stomps her hooves, sending vibrations through the ground, a silent warning that she is not to be trifled with. The crocodile hesitates, calculating the risk. In this moment, strength and determination win the day. The herd drinks, ever watchful, before moving on. Their journey is far from over, but for now, they have triumphed. In the distance, the lion pride rises with the sun, their eyes fixed on the horizon. The game is far from over, and the savanna never rests. Every encounter shapes its inhabitants, forging strength, cunning, and an unyielding will to endure. The battle for survival continues, unceasing and eternal.